Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the crunch stitch. So this is a lovely looking stitch that is just full of texture but is really easy to make with a really simple repeat. So to start this stitch you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 2 plus 1 for your turning chain. So to start the crunch stitch we're going to be making a single crochet in the second chain from our hook. And this is the first stitch of our row, so I'm just going to put a stitch marker in there. In the next stitch you're going to make a half double crochet. Okay, and then in the stitch after that you're going to make a slip stitch. Now keep the slip stitch loose because you're going to be working into it in the next row, so you don't want to make it too tight. And then half double crochet again. So the repeat for this row is really easy. It's half double crochet in one stitch, slip stitch in the next. Just make sure you keep those slip stitches loose, and then repeats all the way across the row. Okay, so we're going to just repeat half double crochet and slip stitch until we get to the last stitch of the row. Half double crochet, slip stitch in the next, and that leaves me with one stitch left in the row. And in the last stitch you just make a single crochet. Okay, so that's row 1 of the crunch stitch. Row 2, turn, chain 1, make a single crochet in the first stitch of the row. Oops. Pop a nice stitch marker in. Okay, so our next stitch is half double crochet. So we're going to have the same repeat all over again, but you're going to be working in the stitches opposite to the row below. So your half double crochet is made into the slip stitch of the row below, and then your next stitch is the slip stitch, which will always be made into the half double crochet. Okay, so you've got the third loop of the half double crochet down here. You don't work into that, you're just working into the top loops. Okay, and then just repeat across the row. Half double crochet in the next stitch, slip stitch in the next. So again, make sure you keep your slip stitches loose, because keeping these loose is going to make things so much easier for working into them in the next row. It's all too easy to make slip stitches too tight. And again, you just repeat that pattern across the row. Half double crochet, slip stitch all the way across until you get to your last stitch of the row, and in that last stitch just make a single crochet. And that's how easy the crunch stitch is. So you start and end every row with a single crochet, and other than that you just repeat row 2 until you have as many rows as you need. And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the crunch stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribs and Stitch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, crochet patterns and hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time for the next video. Bye for now.